Let us know where you're from. I have commodities market level whole country data from 2017 to 2023. Great. What can I do? Lots of things that you can do with that type of data. But I want to enable you to be able to come up with your own answers, right? And the reason I say that is because being creative is a very valuable skill in data science. And I say that for two reasons, right? Because one, there's all kinds of data out there, right? And how you put it together is what makes you different than other data scientists, right? Your creativity is what makes you different. Think of it this way, right? If there was a formula to answering your question, then every data scientist would be the same, right? We would just be robots. So don't miss this opportunity to exercise your own creativity, right? Because you're basically handing over your career to somebody else when you say, well, what can I do with this data? Well, it's you. You can be creative with the data, right? That's what makes you different. That's what's going to drive your career, right? And the second reason I want to encourage you to think about it yourself is because that's what's going to happen in the workplace, right? In the workplace, you're not just the data scientist, you're also the ideas person, right? You're leading the ideation meetings and things like that. People are going to be looking to you for the ideas on what to do with this data, right?